All right, so here in Central Texas, spring has sprung. And just like some of your kids are coming home talking about from caterpillar to butterfly, here in the shop, our Vigilante builds have lined up perfectly where we can show you the different stages. Come with me. All the builds start with a rendering. And we're going to give you a quick peek at our raw chassis. This bad boy right here is the foundation of every Vigilante build. They all start with this. Fully boxed, super strong, brand new chassis. That naked chassis is then powder coated and decked out in the finest technology. New engine, new transfer case, new wheels, new transmission. The body is then mounted to the chassis, where it gets ready for its interior makeup. As the process continues, new wood grain, new trim, new chrome, architectural glass, whole new wiring harness, and more. This vehicle is in the final stages of fit and finish. With just a few more details to go, it'll soon be road ready.